Starting with the content area, I'm not going to hit every single feature within the content area. What I am going to do is give you a general overview of how to set up the content area and some of the general features to help get you started. And if you have specific questions about different features, please feel free to experiment or give myself or Caleb a call over in the Office of Teaching and Learning Excellence. Alright, so get started. We'll go up to the content area, select that, and you can see here I've laid mine out in weekly modules. You can lay it out however you want to. You can do chapters or particular subject matter, whatever helps you organize your course and give some structure to how you want the students to progress through your course as you go through the semester. Okay, so right now I don't have a start here module, so I'll go ahead and create a module for the students here for that first week. And so I did that by clicking this button and hit enter. And now you can see here I got my title, and I can always go in and change that. You got different actions that you can do here. Add dates and restrictions on where you want it, if you want it to start on a certain date, or you can add a due date. We don't necessarily do that with a content module, but you can. And also an end date, maybe when you don't want the students to have access to that particular module anymore. Now you do have release conditions. It's you set it up for an if this then that. So if they complete a particular task, get an award, some kind of activity, then this module will appear to them. And we'll explain release conditions in further detail later. Now I want to add a description to this. It's essentially just directions for the students for when they get in here. And I want them to read the syllabus, take the syllabus quiz, so whatever directions they need to complete that particular module to help keep them on track. Okay? And with that, now I can go ahead and start adding drag and drop files to create and update topics. So this would be like your actual syllabus document. You can drop this in here for them to have any other type of information that you want them to read for, a plagiarism, pledge, or any kind of information related to the course. Okay, so I have a PDF document off to the side here, and I just clicked on it and drug it over, and some of the selected files already exist in this course. That I just it's just double checking if I want to do this, so I just want to replace it, upload, and you can see that it puts it right in Brightspace for the students to access, and it will put it in here, which is nice because also students with accessibility needs will be able to read it with a doc reader if they need to, and they can also download it for their own purposes. Another feature that is nice for the content area, within this module, I can click add existing activities, and you got quizzes, assignments, discussions, but for right now we're going to click on assignments, and I want to add this one particular assignment I created for the students to submit their papers in. Okay, so what this does is I also have that assignment here in assignments, but it puts this link in here that ties this module to that particular assignment. Because typically what we have happen is students will be looking within the modules and not realize that they have to go to the activities tab and also check there if they have the assignment. So the more times we can get content in front of the students, the more helpful it is to keep them on track. Alright, so what I've done here is I went ahead and added different types of activities that I've already created in Brightspace. So right here I have an assignment, I have a quiz, and a discussion topic. And also the directions that I have attached to those are listed right here. So the students now have everything that they need to complete within this one module. And as they get things completed, they will get a little check mark here. as they access them and complete these assignments. Submit papers, they'll get a check mark. Complete this quiz, they'll get a check mark, etc., etc. If you have any further questions, please contact Caleb or I at the Office of Teaching and Learning Excellence. We're in the basement of Cowan Hall in room 110. Thank you.